Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a favicon on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to add a favicon, first log in to your account by filling your email address and password. Then click on this little website button below your desired website. Now click on this little settings icon, then go to favicon. If you don't have your favicon designed yet, simply visit this website called favicon.io. Click on generator from the top. Then fill in your first website letter here. For example, in my case, it's Ben. I will go with this design. You can edit the font size. Let's go with 66. I will keep it 100. Here you can select your font or your favicon colors. You can preview it from here or directly from the browser. I will go with white and black, just like that, and click on download. Decompress my favicon first, then go back to your Squarespace account, click on this add a favicon, then select upload file. Locate it on your computer, double click it just like that. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Then click on save. To see your new favicon live, simply open your Squarespace website in the incognito mode, just like that. And this is your new favicon live. This is how to add a favicon on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.